Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel for today's video. If you are using Shopify and want to make your online store more user-friendly and organized, you've come to the right place. I am going to show you how to add pages to your menu in Shopify because we believe it can be essential for showcasing important content and improving your site's navigation. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. All right, so adding pages to menu in Shopify, it will give you a more structure because it allows customers to easily find the information or products they are looking for, reducing frustration and increasing user satisfactions. Because by categorizing and adding pages to the menu, you can present a clear and logical structure for your store, making it easier for customers to understand your product's offering and content. Now, I want you to go to the web browser of your choice. I am using Google Chrome right now, but it's okay if you're using Safari, Firefox, and Opera and Brave, it's okay. And we might want to sign up here in shopify.com. All right, once you are in shopify.com, all you got to do is go to pages right here. In the left part of your interface, hover to pages. Once you are in the pages section, you can just simply add page. It's up to you, right? Um, Say, for example, when you are running promotion, sales, or new product launches, you can add dedicated pages to the menu to draw attention to these special events. Let's say, for example, Easy Earl, right? Right here. So it's gonna be it'll load up a specific user link here. All you gotta do is save, right? That's it. Now, when you add that, all you gotta do is next is go to navigation, right? And here you can basically edit or add menu right here, side menu if you want it, because if you have a side menu and the internal linking can have a positive impact on your store's search engine optimization or SEO, potentially leading to higher search engine rankings and more organic traffic. All right. So, for example, here for the sidebar, that adding pages to your side menu, right? Just save it, right? Just like that. You can also add policy pages to the menu, such as the privacy policy, terms of service, and return policy. It'll help customers find important information easily. And of course, if you include links to your social media profiles in the menu, making it convenient for customers to connect with you on various platforms, it'll make your business grow and evolve. And you can easily update your menu every now and then, right? And that's it for today's video. Again, adding pages to the menu in Shopify is a fundamental practice for creating an organized and user-friendly online store because it enhances navigation, helps customers find what they need, and supports your marketing efforts, ultimately leading to a better shopping experience and potentially higher sales. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.